A new survey by the CDC is shedding light on how the sewage crisis is impacting life in the South Bay. ABC 10 News reporter Adam Campos dug through those results and follows through with the county's response and the doctors who treat patients with sewage-related illnesses every day.
When the hydrogen sulfide levels are high, when it smells, people start coming in.
At South Bay Urgent Care in Imperial Beach, doctors Kimberly and Matthew Dixon have noticed a pattern. Patients coming in time and time again for headaches, eye irritation, and respiratory issues. All symptoms they believe are linked to the sewage crisis.
And it's very frustrating as a physician these are preventable illnesses.
Preventable illnesses now documented in a CDC survey. The results showing hundreds of South Bay residents are battling the same illnesses. It's something the county's public health officer says shows just how widespread the issue really is.
Our response was definitely a shock that there's more to be done, that the story is not closed.
The CDC surveyed just under 2,100 people from IB, Otay Mesa West, San Ysidro, and Coronado last October. And here's some of the data. 64% of people reported one new or worsening symptom from the sewage. The most common are headaches, runny nose, congestion, eye irritation, and coughing. All of these are symptoms of hydrogen sulfide exposure. And 67% of people believe it is not safe to visit, work, or live in the South Bay. And Dr. Kimberly says these results aren't surprising.
That's what we were expecting. That's what we've been trying to tell the county for the last 2 years, is that we're concerned that there's associated illness with the sewage.
Safety has been the biggest question in the South Bay for years. In September, the county said the South Bay is safe from an immediate threat of hydrogen sulfide and cyanide. Then in January, I reported about new research by UC San Diego that claims it's not safe. But the county stood by its findings from September, and the state's public health department co-signed it. With this new survey data, I asked the county's public health officer again, is it safe? And he said, it all depends on who you ask.
I hesitate to say safe, and really I think of that as a relative term. Someone can logically look at the air pollution monitoring results and say, hey, this is lower than maybe some of the air quality thresholds that the state or federal government has, and maybe the numbers aren't as high, and they may think it's safe, whereas another family might have a youth that has asthma attacks and exacerbations due to this, right?
One part of the survey that stuck out to the Dixons is 31% of people sought medical care because of the sewage. The Dixons believe the survey is a crucial step forward to addressing the crisis. The county says they plan to use this new survey to ask the state to declare a state of emergency. In Imperial Beach, Adam Campos, ABC 10 News.